Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a sweet and spicy plum. If you're accustomed with mango, you're going to love this recipe. So let me show you guys how I make this. So guys, to make this red spicy plum, what you'll need to do is wash your plums and you're going to score the plum right around. You just take a knife and make an incision. So I made like 4 incisions around the plum. And we're going to place it into that pot with water. We want to bring this up to a boil, after which we'll discard the water and then continue on. So the plum has come up to a boil. I'm going to allow it to boil for 3 minutes and then I'll remove it and drain the water. So I drained the water out of the plums and I'm going to go in with some more water. We want to create a nice little sauce for this plum. So in here goes some salt. So you just want a little bit of salt because we're going to be using more sugar. And in goes brown sugar, and you can use as much or as little brown sugar as you like. Now I want this to be sweet, so hence the reason why I'm adding enough brown sugar. I'm going to go in with 1 star anise and 2 cinnamon sticks. And plum is known for that red color, so I'm going to go in with some red food coloring to help color the plum because we want a really nice red plum. So the other ingredients, you'll need some hot pepper, which is optional. You can make this sweet without the spicy. So I'm going to go in with half of a hot pepper and 1 ciliment leaf, and this is known as a bay rum leaf. It is a bay leaf, but it's called a ciliment leaf or bay rum leaf or pimenta racemosa, and I got the plant to buy on Amazon. So if there's any available, I will leave a link for it in the description box. And all you have to do is allow this to come up to a simmer and allow all of those flavors to infuse into the plum. Now you'll notice that the liquid in there is drying down, and that is what you want. So I'm just going to allow this to cook for about another 10 more minutes. I want it to be really sticky and gooey, and then this will be ready. So guys, this is the consistency you're looking for, a really sticky consistency. So this is finished. I'm just gonna plate it so you guys can see what it looks like. Now you'd want to taste it, make sure it has enough sugar or enough salt to your liking, and then you can go ahead and serve it.